going to do the Italian sauce that Blaine, my husband's grandparents, used to do every Sunday. We are having a lot of friends over and the family. Kids are coming over, and look what I got. I got a very big pork chop. The sauce, the Italian sauce, it's always getting very good when you put a very nice piece of meat, and always the bone is giving a perfect tasting. I know! And okay, I'm going to, Nathaniel, are you paying attention? If you're giving a good color, I'm going to put it on high. It's going to give a very good taste to the sauce. And of course, let me see, I'm going to leave it for about 2 minutes till I really have a good taste to the sauce. Right, Nathaniel?
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you, Nathaniel.
You're welcome.
And because Matthew's coming and he didn't have a homemade Italian sauce like the grandparents, I'm going to do that. Also, I'm going to have some Italian sausage. I'm also having a piece of ribs that also is delicious to add to your sauce. Everything will cook about 2 hours with the sauce. So while I know everything is out here. I know. I'm going to throw this, and then after this, I'm going to wash my hands. Nathaniel, can you just be patient with me? So look at a pretty meat, pretty piece of meat on the ribs. So I'm starting this together with the pork chops. If you move it like that a little bit, it won't get stuck. Yeah, see? Let's give it a good color. I'm going to quick wash my hands, and I'm starting the sauce that I cooked last night, the tomatoes. Are we going to do a perfect sauce?
Yeah.
Would you like some?
Perfect.
Sarah and Ethan said they want extra for
Perfect.
themselves. And then Emily might have something different or different sauce.
Yeah.
Oh my God, then you're the star. You're the gourmet baby. You're our gourmet baby.
I want sauce. Yeah.
Okay, okay, here you come. Here you come. Since I spend this much money and do it, I better get a video too, right?
I'm still videotaping.
Okay, so that will take a couple minutes. And Nathaniel, would you take a look? I have the sauce here. The tomatoes were in our garden. Perfect tomatoes this year. The Marzano tomatoes. And now I do like to take the skin off. Nathaniel, don't be silly.
Sorry.
I see you.
Sorry. You're good. You're good. You're good. We're rolling.
All right. So this is pretty nice to have something ready. Once you have the meat.
Mom, what is this doing?
Oh, we are going to.
What does it do?
We are
When
going.
you spin it like that,
When you spin it, you just getting the juice from the tomatoes.
is it coming up beneath it?
Yeah, look.
Oh, but the skin stays
Yeah,
on top.
skin and the seeds.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
like an espresso machine.
Yeah, look at this. Look how nice. Look, see it? And then it's very inexpensive and very healthy to make your own sauce. So I'm going to wash my hands again because Nathaniel is silly tonight. He's excited for the Italian sauce. Yeah. See this sauce in the video?
You gotta go.
You gotta go. Hardly enough anymore.
I'm coming.
Yeah, you can see this construction? Sure you do. Yeah.
I'm filming.
Look at this material. Okay. Let's get all the juice. It's very good tomatoes. And next year I'm going to put maybe 4 plants. This year I have only 2. Lots of good tomatoes. And look, Nathaniel, look at this. Hold on. The sauce. Look at the pretty sauce here. Fresh? Okay, I'm coming back in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm moving the sauce here. And also, I do a lot of time couple carrots and I put them in the freezer. They're cooked, shredded, and all the celery, so I'll add it to my sauce. It'll give it the sweetness. So let's see. Oh, this looks very good. And this looks good. It's a nice color to the meat, so that will give a very good flavor to the meat. Now, I'm going to add some chicken also. Give them a good color. Wait maybe another 3 minutes and then I'll come back. We'll show you step by step how we do the best sauce for the family tomorrow. We'll see you in 2-3 minutes. And okay, the beauty for this sausage is that you created on top of each other, like couple layers, right? This one is done. Meanwhile, while this is starting to cook, I'll get ready to make even couple meatballs. Lots of meat, lots of sauce. It's going to be good for 2-3 days. But I'll get meatballs are going on. And now I'm turning the chicken. And I'm going to deglaze the whole pot with a little bit of wine. Let's turn this side here. We want to see how this looks.
What does
Look
it
at that.
mean to deglaze?
It's going to take off all this meat that's on the bottom. It's all flavors in it. All these little, look at this, Nathaniel. See? So intentionally you create a little bit of flavor with the meat that is stuck into the pan. And now it's all gone. Did you not know that? Really? No way. So this is done here. I got a little bit more deglazing. It's not the cooking wine. I go like some chefs, a little bit, and you turn the whole bottle. It's not really, but it's a cooking wine. I know. So this is good here, right? Well, these pieces of pork chops are going to give such a good flavor, all that meat and the ribs and chicken, and then we'll throw in, see, it's all felt like we're stuck into. It's not stuck to the bottom anymore. And now I'm going to put also the rest of the meats, meatballs at the end. I'm going to have a little bit of the carrots that I told you that I get ready sometimes. It's giving the sweet to the sauce. And I have a little bit celery ready here. That will be very good. And I'm going to throw in the sauce. So here it goes. Whoa, voila. And this will cook for about 2 hours. And I'm also going to throw in some hot Italian sausage. They smell so good, they're so fresh. It's a little bit longer, Nathaniel?
No, it's just 8:30 at night, but
Well, because this needs 2 hours, we are not going to bed till 11, till Matthew gets here. So we have time to cook our sauce slow. So I'm even going to throw in one more can of, and this has no salt, crushed tomatoes. It's a very good quality. So you can use from the beginning all bought store or make your own, whatever you like to. And now I'm going to cover it, mix it once in a while. And in about an hour, I'm going to add the meatballs. They don't need to cook that long. It's going to stir and we are ready. This is going to be the last step in about an hour. We might come off and show you how that looks. And tomorrow when we eat it, we'll take another video. We'll see you later.
look at how big this pot is.
It is huge. And look at the beautiful sauce. It's about an hour and 20 minutes and it's cooking like slow. That's what is the key. Very nice. It's on medium low, but look at the pretty bubbles there. The meat looks like it's coming apart. And now I'm just going to put in the meatballs. It will take about half an hour for the meatballs and the sauce is ready. While all this was cooking, I had enough time to just make the meatballs. And you're just going to put them just like that in, gentle. Look at the bubbles there. It's delicious for a Sunday, for a big group. I have friends that every time they have company coming, they're always making meatballs and the sauce, maybe with a couple other pieces of meat. So it's a good meal for everybody together. And I think I'm not going to stay tonight to show you the rest, but tomorrow I'll show you how good it is when we warm it up and we'll have it. Our son Matthew, he's going to be loving that, and the kids, everybody who's here. So half an hour and the sauce is perfect. Well, let me show the piece. Oh, this one, this piece of meat. Where is it? Oh, look at the chicken. Look how nice comes apart. It's very good. And then the ribs. Oh, the ribs are so good. I can't wait till I have some. Can I take it out though? I'll take the big pork chops. Look at this. It came apart already. Delicious. We'll see you later. Bye. And half an hour went by, and look at the beautiful meatballs. They look very good. I know it's a very big pot I have. I got it from Romania from a friend, and I love it because it's very big. You see the meatballs all kind of came on the top, and that is mean they're ready. And it's going to be a wonderful, wonderful sauce together for the family. So tomorrow when we warm it up, this is going to be here a whole night. But we'll have lunch tomorrow on Friday. We'll show you a couple of the spaghetti with these wonderful meats we have. Right. So the sauce is nice and ready. I'm going to take the meat. That's what grandparents of Blaine's were doing. Take the meat and put it in a big pan, right like that. And then from here, everybody serves whatever piece of meat they like. I know I'm making a little bit mess. We have the sausage. We have the meatballs here, right there. And then, oh, the sausage are good. The meatballs are good. Let me see, a little bit of chicken I have to have here. What do you think, Babette, huh? Oh, look at this, Nathaniel. Look at these pretty meats there. And of course, this is for a big family meeting together. And it's a lot of good meat, and the sauce, we'll serve it on the side. Let me see now, let me put this back here. And I have the spaghetti. Don't forget to warm up your plates. Warm them up before you're going to put the sauce on so they won't get too cold quick. So the sauce, then you serve it on the side. Everybody gets ready. And then a meatball or two. I'm having a hot sausage and a meatball, and then a little bit of cheese, and just enjoy it. I know, it's really nice to have a big amount done. So tomorrow, oh, I'm having a big holiday, and I do want to show you some beautiful flowers that I got today. Thank you for the bouquet. Baby, what do you say? Thank you. Look how beautiful they are. Beautiful flowers. So we are going to enjoy the day. Thank you. And lots of good food. David, you want to smell it? Look at this. Look who's very interesting in the flowers. David it is.